Aari listeners, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. Today we're gonna go on a little adventure at a U-pick farm, and I'm deciding to take my diary along with me. So let's go. As you can see, I just simply can't contain my excitement. We are on Gordon Road heading to Lewis Farms. So we are here. We are going to the U-pick side. Here they serve ice cream. So we are going to the U-pick side where we'll get a bucket. On the left, the trees are blackberry and blueberry trees, which normally would be good for picking in May and June. This, what you're seeing right here, is just strawberries. I was already eyeing one. I saw it, I picked it, and I was happy. One down, a bucket to go. So pretty. Okay, so to give you a little insight, an attendant will simply tell you where you can pick from in order to get the best strawberries, and you're allowed to pick your own according to the size of the container that you have, and then pay for it after. Picking is just so calming and definitely therapeutic. I love it. So this area is by the checkout area, and it's also the entrance to the plant shop. As you can see, there are pre-packaged strawberries if you're just simply not in the mood to pick it yourself. And while I was just simply admiring the pretty flowers. Okay guys, so while picking, Michael suggested that we could make something out of using these strawberries besides smoothies. So we're gonna go to the grocery store because we decided to make ice cream. So let's go. We got home from the grocery store, and of course I headed straight for the kitchen in order to get these prepped for chopping. I went in with some baking soda and water since I didn't have vinegar, but it still did something because I found me 3 little tiny bugs, and that's totally fine. I got them and it's fine. So I let these sit for about 10 minutes and then it's time for chopping. A little dance to celebrate that small victory, and then we're gonna go in with 12 ounces of strawberries and 46 extra strawberries to chop up to put in the ice cream, so you can have those little chunks in there. Then we're gonna go blend it up until it's like pureed or mushy and set it aside. We're gonna go in with 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and you're gonna mix until you're seeing that the texture has changed. It looks a little bit stiffer. You just keep going until you get the consistency that you think you'd want. And then we're going to go in with a can of condensed milk. Yes, the entire can. You're going to make sure you get all of those goodness out. And then after, we're going to go in with the strawberry puree. Blend on a slow speed until evenly incorporated. You can add a dash of pink coloring so that your strawberry ice cream would look more vibrant in color, but I chose the authentic way. You're going to go in with a spatula in order to clean off the ends, and then add in the chopped strawberries and fold them in. And it's all ready to place in your pans, containers, bowls, whatever you want to pour it in. Okay guys, so I got my ice cream from the freezer and we're gonna see how it tastes. I'll let you know. And I'm going to be very honest. So guys, if you want soft ice cream, please do not be like me and let it thaw properly. I did not let it thaw properly because I was just too eager to try it. But as you can see, these strawberry chunks are evenly incorporated. It's looking divine. And this is my small little bowl that I'm going to taste test and let you know how it is. So guys, trying it and giving my honest feedback. I do think that the whipping cream could have worked a little bit more, but it's tasting good. Amazing. So I'm gonna go and enjoy my ice cream. Thank you for tuning in with me on this diary entry. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.